Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Engr.ashfaq. Today I'm going to show you another 2D tutorial of AutoCAD. So this is our given figure. So let us start. We have two circles of dia 5.6 into 2.8. First of all, I'm going to check my unit. So it's in inches and I will minimize the precision up to 0. Let us draw a line of 7 as shown in the figure. So I'm going to draw two circles at one end. Select circle with diameter and give the required diameter. Now I'm going to mirror these two circles across the center point of my drawn line. So select both the circles and mirror across to the other point. So this is shown. Now from the below line we have an offset of 8. Now go to offset command and give a distance of 8. Similarly, we have an offset of 3.5 and 2 from the below line. Now I am going to offset the center line at a distance of 3.5. Now I am going to draw a center line across the midpoint of the horizontal line. Now offset this line at a distance of 3.5 and 3.5 below and 3.5 above. And we will offset the center vertical line at a distance of 1.5 on both sides, targeting that rectangle which is drawn in the center of both two circles. Now I'm going to trim the extra entities. So I have trimmed the extra entities. Now at the rectangle we have a fillet of 4 with a radius 4. So select fillet and give a radius of 4 and select all the lines. Now I'm going to trim the extra entities. Now go to a figure. I'm going to draw a line at a distance of 2 from the below line of rectangle, and horizontally I will come with a distance 3.5 and vertically I will give a distance of 8 as shown in the figure. Now as we have two fillets at radius of 2, now select fillet, give a radius of 2. First select line and then the circle. Now mirror this fillet radius and line across other side of the figure as shown. Now trim the extra entities. Now as we have a circle of radius 12 from the below specified point, so opposite this line which is shown at a distance of 1 and construct a circle of radius 12 across this reference point. So select circle with a radius and give a radius of 12. Trim the extra entities. So this is our final figure which is completed. I have trimmed the extra entities. Now going to dimensioning, I'm going to give a specific dimension, linear one, and the radius or diameter with the circles. From the annotation tab, so this is our final figure. Now I'm going to select upfront layout of my figure, go to print and select your printer, construct a window across your figure. This is your final figure. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you enjoy my work. Thank you for watching my videos. So this is the final figure. Thanks for watching.